the most beautiful places to ski in Austria? Austria is a paradise for skiing enthusiasts, offering breathtaking alpine scenery, world-class resorts, and a diverse range of slopes fit for every skier. From adrenaline-pumping descents to luxurious retreats, Austria's ski destinations provide experiences that are as diverse as the landscapes themselves. In this video, we will explore 5 of the most beautiful places to ski in Austria, each offering its unique charm and allure. Whether you're a winter sports enthusiast or simply looking for a snowy escape, these destinations will inspire you to carve your own alpine adventure. Let's begin our journey in St. Anton am Arlberg, also known as the cradle of alpine skiing. Famous for its thrilling terrain and vibrant après-ski culture, this resort is a dream come true for experienced skiers and adventurers. St. Anton doesn't just offer skiing, it's a complete alpine experience. With over 300 kilometers of marked slopes and an additional 200 kilometers of off-piste terrain, the resort guarantees plenty of challenges for advanced skiers. The powder-filled valleys and steep descents are ideal for those seeking high-intensity action. But don't worry if you're not a pro, St. Anton also features beginner and intermediate-friendly zones to help newcomers build their skills. Of course, the skiing is only half the fun here. St. Anton is renowned for its lively après-ski scene, where visitors grab a warm drink, laugh with friends, and dance the evening away after a day on the slopes. Cozy mountain huts and bustling bars, like the renowned Mooserwert or Crazy Kangaroo, offer an electric atmosphere that perfectly complements the rugged beauty of the surrounding snowy peaks. Pairing thrilling outdoor adventures with entertainment and relaxation, St. Anton is a must on your list of Austrian ski destinations. Our next destination is the Kitzbühel Alps, an area that embodies Austria's rich skiing tradition. Known around the globe for hosting the legendary Hahnenkamm downhill race, Kitzbühel offers more than just competitive prestige, it's also one of the most charming ski towns in Europe. The heart of Kitzbühel is its picture-perfect village, featuring cobbled streets, pastel-toned alpine homes, and an enchanting old-world atmosphere. This is a place where traditions meet modern comforts, providing an inviting blend of warmth and sophistication. On the slopes, Kitzbühel caters to a wide range of skiing abilities. Beginners and intermediate skiers will find smooth, leisurely runs to explore, while experts can take on the adrenaline-pumping Strife, one of the most challenging downhill courses in the world. Beyond its skiing opportunities, the region is notable for its state-of-the-art lift systems, ensuring skiers spend less time waiting and more time exploring. If skiing isn't your only focus, Kitzbühel offers a plethora of other winter activities from ice skating to tobogganing. It's a destination where every traveler can find joy, whether they're on or off the slopes. For a perfect combination of history, elegance, and adventure, Kitzbühel deserves a special place on your Austrian ski itinerary. Moving on, we reach Lechzürs, a resort that stands out for its exclusivity and refined charm. Nestled in the Arlberg region, this is the place to go if you're looking for luxury skiing amid serenity and natural beauty. Lechzürs is as famous for its upscale offerings as it is for its stunning alpine scenery. The village is a favorite among royalty, celebrities, and wealthy travelers seeking world-class skiing and premium accommodations. It offers visitors a charming, tranquil atmosphere away from the hustle and bustle of other major resorts. In terms of skiing, Lechzürs boasts a wide expanse of impeccably groomed trails suitable for all levels, complemented by a sophisticated network of lifts for seamless access. The area is particularly appealing to those who enjoy skiing in uncrowded, pristine conditions. For a unique winter experience, Lechzürs also offers heli skiing, a thrilling option to explore untouched snow in Austria's majestic backcountry. After a day on the slopes, indulge in the luxurious amenities this resort has to offer. From 5-star hotels to gourmet mountain restaurants, the après-ski scene here is tailored to provide sophisticated comfort. Lechzürs is where luxury meets adventure, making it a standout destination for any ski enthusiast. For families and those seeking variety, the Zillertal Valley is an ideal choice. This vast region is home to multiple interconnected ski resorts, boasting over 500 kilometers of runs and breathtaking views of the Tyrolean Alps. One of Zillertal's greatest strengths lies in its adaptability. With slopes catering to every skill level, it's the perfect destination for families with mixed skiing abilities. Beginners can enjoy gentle, easygoing pistes, while more advanced skiers will relish the challenge of steeper, high-altitude runs. The valley also has dedicated areas for snowboarding, making it a great spot for boarders to hone their skills. Beyond skiing, Zillertal is packed with family-friendly activities including tobogganing, winter hiking trails, and indoor leisure centers. The area's warm, welcoming atmosphere ensures that visitors of all ages will feel right at home. Zillertal's extensive lift network and efficient transportation system mean that no matter where you base yourself in the valley, you'll have easy access to the slopes and attractions. It's a multifaceted destination that offers both adventure and relaxation in equal measure. If you're searching for a versatile ski destination with something for everyone, look no further than the scenic Zillertal Valley. Last but certainly not least, we head to the stunning Stubai Glacier, Austria's largest glacier ski area. Located just a short drive from Innsbruck, this winter wonderland is a must-see for both casual skiers and hardcore enthusiasts. One of Stubai Glacier's standout features is its year-round skiing opportunities. Thanks to its high altitude and extensive glacial terrain, Stubai offers dependable snow throughout the year, making it a reliable choice even in the spring and summer months. For beginners, the glacier provides an excellent selection of wide, forgiving slopes that are perfect for building confidence. Advanced skiers, on the other hand, can challenge themselves with thrilling freeride routes and high-angled descents. The wide open spaces and dramatic peaks also make Stubai Glacier a paradise for lovers of scenic skiing and snowboarding. Apart from skiing, visitors can also explore an array of snow-based activities, from guided winter hikes to sledding. And don't miss the Top of Tyrol viewing platform, offering panoramic views of snow-capped peaks stretching as far as Italy. Stubai Glacier combines natural splendor with top-tier facilities, providing an unforgettable experience for skiers at every level. Each of these 5 Austrian ski destinations offers a unique experience. St. Anton am Arlberg is perfect for thrill-seekers craving challenging terrain and exciting nightlife. Kitzbühel combines historic charm with modern infrastructure and opportunities for all skill levels. Lech Zürs is the go-to choice for luxury and exclusivity, while Zillertal Valley caters to families by offering versatility and convenience. Lastly, Stubai Glacier stands out for its year-round skiing appeal and breathtaking glacier views. Whether you prioritize adventure, family fun, or pure relaxation, Austria delivers a ski destination that caters to every need, ensuring a memorable winter vacation. Austria holds a special place in the hearts of skiing enthusiasts worldwide. Its stunning alpine beauty, expertly maintained slopes, and warm hospitality make it a winter destination like no other. Beyond skiing, Austria pairs adventure with cultural immersion, whether through cozy villages, unique traditions, or mouth-watering cuisine like Wiener Schnitzel, Kaiserschmarrn, and Apfelstrudel. The diverse options across Austrian ski resorts cater to every type of traveler, ensuring that each visit brings a mix of excitement, serenity, and unforgettable memories. For seasoned skiers or first-timers alike, Austria's mountains promise a magical winter experience. As we wrap up, take a moment to visualize yourself gliding down Austria's magnificent slopes, surrounded by breathtaking scenery and crisp mountain air. Picture the warm glow of a crackling fire as you sip on mulled wine in a cozy Alpine hut, cherishing the adventures you had that day. Austria offers more than just skiing. It's an invitation to immerse yourself in the beauty and splendor of winter. Whether you're drawn to the thrill of the slopes, the allure of luxury, or the charm of family-friendly resorts, there's a place for you in this Alpine haven. So, gear up and start planning your ski getaway. The Austrian Alps are calling, and the adventure of your dreams awaits among these spectacular snowy landscapes. See you on the slopes.